Tram, Milano. Eco tram. We don't have tram in Modena. Tram, there is a railway, oh. The tram. This is the tram of Milan. You see? Tram. You see the tram. I understand why the tram are stopping. Oh, Lord. The tram, you see? You know why? Somebody is there lying in the floor. Where is the police? There are many police there, oh. Police kaya yan. Arrived the police, the carabinieri arrived now. That one, stay there to in the middle of the railway, no? So that's why the tram for all three trams are stops. That's why I said, why? What happened? The trams are, you see, arrived the police. That's why the trams are. Oh, Perma. Oh. They lie in the floor in the street. So the because of that man lying in the middle of the street. So you see the tram are all stopping. That one, that green pants, he is the coming. This is the old tram. This is the old tram. You see? The old tram. This one. 1799. This kind of tram. This is the old tram. Ayan. Control researching sa superficie. Dahil. Rosso pala. Bye-bye. Shout out. Puma. Mady, City Inn, shout out.